for you guys today. See my cat right here chilling. Not in the best of moods. I'm trying to cheer myself up. Not working, but just check myself with a little bit of Dhar Mann, I guess. 12-year-old saves farm animals. What happens is shocking by Dhar Mann. And tonight's also Thursday, so Jay and Mikey episode 4 will come out. Maybe that'll cheer me up a little bit. Even though realistically there's only one thing that will cheer me up, which is not going to happen, but you know, is what it is, I guess. And then gonna do a Q&A for you guys soon, but I want to be not down while I'm doing it, so yeah. Anyways, gonna start this now. Don't worry, even though I'm kind of upset, I'll still be angry in the video most likely, so don't mind me. It's all this. Okay. So yeah, 12-year-old saves farm animals. I'm pretty sure this used to be a different title. I'm pretty sure this used to be like farm animals mistreated or something, or maybe the thumbnail was a different title. I don't fucking know. Anyways, this is going. Let's start this. Again, this actress.
How's it going?
This actress, I love her. I've always loved her. She reminds me of my teacher from college. She was always super nice to me. So I love her.
How's it going?
This is disgusting. Why would you even bring me here? Not my designer handbag!
Not my designer handbag, oh my god. Oh. Fucking relax.
That's it? I'm done with this place. We're leaving here right now.
Okay. Mrs. in charge.
Great job, June. You're natural.
I didn't do it. It was all Mrs. Milky.
What?
I've never been, like, with a cow. Like, I've never... That sounds kind of weird. I've never been with a cow before. Like, yeah, I hope so. Because, you know, it's not... It sounds like been with us in dating. But anyways, sorry. I mean, like, I've never milked a cow before. I've never even, like, really been near a cow. I probably have. I just don't remember. But, yeah, I've never milked a cow. I've never done anything like that. I've never been a farm person ever. My family is from Poland, which is, there's a lot of farm stuff, so like when I'm there in Poland, then it's like I'm living on a farm basically, but I don't do anything. There's no cows walking around chilling. We have chickens and we have other cats normally, you know, we have one right here too. But yeah, I don't know, man. I've never been a farm person. Let me know if you guys are farm people, because I am not.
You know, her name was actually Betsy, but between you and me, I like Mrs. Milky better. Here, I'll get this out of your way. Go ahead and enjoy the rest of the farm.
Thanks, Kristen.
She's always really nice.
Dad,
I love her in the
can we come
videos.
here more?
Anybody know her real name? Well, I guess I could find out right now. She just said her name's Kristen, and then it's gonna be here somewhere. Sarah Noel, that's her name. Cool.
This place was kind of expensive, like $50 a ticket, you know. I mean, how about next year?
If we can't come back, can we at least buy one of the animals? I love being around them all the time.
Junie, we need a whole farm for all these animals. Maybe one day we'll get a dog.
Or we can get a farm one day. Oh, Dad, baby goats, baby goats. What's her name?
Name? It's just a goat. What's it need a name for?
I'm gonna name you Gertrude. Gertrude the goat. Do you like that, Gertrude? I think I just found my new favorite animal. So if chickens are for eggs, cows are to milk, and horses are to ride, what are goats for?
Oh, they're, for meat. Where else do you think goat meat comes from?
You're telling me you wait till they die and you turn them into meat?
He's like, no, we kill them.
We don't wait for them to die, little girl. We kill them. We shoot them and drain the blood right out of them. Keeps the meat nice and fresh. That's how we get the big bucks.
You're gonna kill them?
You know what? Let's go look at the chickens. That's enough.
I wanna know.
Not the kids. Not yet. But the mama's done be due for a slaughter about 6 weeks from now, and then babies don't need her anymore.
You can't just do that. Babies always need their moms.
I ain't see why I can't do what I want, considering this is my farm.
Damn.
Dad, we We can't let these goats die. Can we please buy them?
They are for sale. $500 a goat. Look, honey, you know how things are. I can't afford that.
But Dad, we can't let Gertrude die. Please, do something.
But even if I could afford it, we wouldn't have a place to put her. You know, you didn't have to tell her all that. She's 8 years old. It's just a fact of life. Youngins gotta learn sooner or later.
Like, yes, I eat chicken, yes, I eat meat, but I do always, like, think about, you know, like, how they die and how they're basically killed, like, it is sad, you know, I don't like pets dying, I don't like animals dying, but apparently she's gonna save the farm animals, but again, this is not based on a true story, so this is all big bullshit, basically.
How come you're not eating your food, sweetie?
I just can't stop thinking about Gertrude.
Yeah, I know. Listen, sadly, that's just the way things are. We depend on animals for food.
So you're saying this is made from cow? They waited for it to die or they killed it?
I don't know.
I'm not eating Betsy.
No, sweetie, this isn't Betsy. This is not the cow that you met today.
I don't care. I just don't want to eat animals.
All right. So what do you want me to make you? You want a PB&J?
Those baby goats need their mom, just like I need you, and I can't imagine if you were taken away too.
Little cow's really sick. And I talked to the vet. We need to get her in as soon as possible.
I ain't paying no vet to check out some dumb cow. We'll slaughter that thing early before it starts spreading its germs to them other cows. Get some money for that meat.
You sure?
Did I stutter? And feed them others more hormones. We need to fatten them up so we can skin and sell them.
Yeah, this is hard to watch, seeing how firm people are with animals. Like, some people love animals, some people just don't care. And this guy just don't care, clearly.
You here to buy my goat? No, but after our last visit, my daughter can't stop thinking about Gertrude. Who? The goat that just had the babies. Oh. So what are you saying? I was looking to maybe talk to you about not killing it. Spare it. Look, it would mean a lot to my daughter. So let me get this straight. You come on my farm, offer me zero money, and then try to tell me to not slaughter a goat because your little girl gonna cry about it? Listen here, this is a business to me. Either you have $500, or in 6 weeks, that goat's a goner. Plain and simple.
Hey! Where's your little girl? I saw you pull in, and I remembered how much she loved the goats, and I wanted to give her this.
Really? Oh, wow. Thank you. She's gonna love this.
I thought she'll like it, but she'll just be sad about it because...
June, she hasn't left her room since yesterday. She's devastated because she found out the mama goat's gonna get slaughtered. I don't know what to do. And you know what? That owner, he just won't budge.
I know. I've had my fair share of arguments with Lance about the way that he treats the
Lance?
animals. All he cares about is money. If I had the $250,000 to buy this place from him, I would do it in a heartbeat. But I make $10 an hour. It would take me an eternity to save that kind of money.
I don't think you would ever make... You would literally have to work every single day, and you still wouldn't even make enough, I don't think.
But look, if June wants to come and visit the mama goat, she still has a little bit of time. I'll be here.
Thanks, but I could barely afford the ticket the last time. So I think this is it. And look, thank you. She's gonna love this.
Oh, well, we get these friends and family tickets. Here, just take mine.
Are you sure?
Yeah, and they're week-long passes, so she can come as much as she wants.
Thank you so much. She's gonna love this. I can't wait to show her. God bless. Thank you.
She's really nice, man. I always love her
Hey,
as an
sweetie.
actress.
Look what I got you.
If only it were Gertrude.
Well, there's more. Person at the farm not only gave you this, she gave you these. These are free passes, so now you can go to the farm as much as you want to see Gertrude.
I'm so excited to go to the farm and meet all the animals.
Yeah. Look at this. Look at this guy. Look at that, look at that, look at that. Do the lasso, yeah. There you go. Okay, look at that. Whoa, nice pool.
I'd be scared that the animals are gonna like attack me, to be honest. So I don't know if I'd chase them around, but she's obviously a farm girl and she obviously loves the animals and stuff like that. So that's really sweet. But obviously the ghost's still gonna die in the end. So it's like, unless it's Dhar Mann, so something's gonna happen that will save it. But
Where's Gertrude? I brought her carrots.
Oh.
What happened?
It hasn't even been 6 weeks.
I know. Lance decided to take her early.
What? No, Dad! We have to do something.
Well, what are we gonna do?
I don't know. They're gonna kill her. I have to go find her.
Hey, June, wait!
No! Please stop! Don't kill her!
Lance, I'm sorry, I'm begging you, please. Is there any way you can spare this goat's life? No money, no goat. This here's your last chance, bud. I don't have any money, but I'll do anything. Just don't. How could you do that? Right in front of her. She's just a little kid. She shouldn't have wandered in here. And if I ain't mistaken, your last pass expires today, don't it? So if you don't mind. Hey, buy you some food.
I don't want to eat. I just want Gertrude back. I can't believe they did that to her. It's gonna be her babies next.
Sweetheart, I know that you're upset, but you have to eat something.
No, Dad, please just leave me alone. Why does everyone always take everything away from me that I love?
of course he's gonna make a TikTok. Like, what are they gonna do? Raise $250,000? Like, they're not gonna raise 250 grand to buy the whole place. They're not.
Hi,
And if they do, extremely unrealistic.
my name's Corey, and I'm not gonna lie, I've never made a video like this before, but I'm sitting in front of a camera because I really need your help. You see, I have a daughter, and her name's June. And she's just about the sweetest and most loving person on the planet. She loves animals. She's been going through a lot because, well, about a year ago, her mom, the love of my life, passed away. June was really close to her mom, and something that they shared in common other than their smile and their silly laugh was their love for animals. So I took my daughter to a farm, and June immediately fell in love with this goat named Gertrude and Gertrude's 5 babies. She's been about every day with them, and it was the first time since her mom passed that I saw June truly, truly happy. That was taken away from her today when the farm decided to slaughter that goat right in front of my daughter. And now June won't come out of her room. She won't eat. And I had to watch her lose someone else that she loved all over again. So I'm making this video now in hopes that some of you kind souls out there will help raise money to save Gertrude's babies. If anyone can spare $1, a cent, anything. If I had the money, I would do it right now, but I don't. It may be too late for Gertrude, but if you spare those baby's goats' lives and save my daughter from another heartbreak, that would mean everything to me. I'm going to include a link to a GoFundMe. If you can find it in your hearts to donate, along with some videos of June with her goats. Thank you.
Corey posts the video, not knowing if anyone would even see it.
But the next day he realizes it went viral.
Next day, when he checks his phone, he's shocked to see that his video is going viral.
Of course it is.
There's an overwhelming amount of support from people all across the world.
Yeah, I'm so sure there is.
Within just 24 hours, Corey's GoFundMe raises more than he could have ever imagined.
Oh, please, get out of here. There's no way. Like, get out of here. Like, that's such bullshit. I'm sorry, this is not happening. Like, you're not going to raise $212,000 in a day. And I literally told you, like, she's not going to make enough money to save the whole, like, the whole farm and buy the farm. Now they only need, what, 38 more K? Like, fuck out of here.
And he knows exactly what to do with it.
Why are we back? I don't want to be here.
Trust me, you're going to be glad that you came.
My cattle, my rules. I can cut them horns off if I want to. What do you think you're going to do about it?
At least wait until the painkillers kick in. It's inhumane to do it this way.
Well, good thing they ain't no humans.
Kristen's right. You shouldn't do that.
Ain't you a pain in my caboose?
Caboose.
Look, how many times I gotta say, it's my farm, so you better get to getting.
Actually, that's why I'm here.
Damn, it's not his farm no more, is it?
To buy your farm. Got the check right here.
He's like, oh, money, okay.
But you couldn't even afford a goat. How'd you get this much money?
I have my ways. But take it. Whether you'll be able
I have
to
my
enjoy
ways.
it, I mean, that's another question.
What's that supposed to mean?
Well, when I told the story about what happened
Oh.
between June and Gertrude, well, the word got out about all the things you were doing to the animals. And it didn't just get people's attention. It got the attention of the ASPCA. You know, the American Society of Prevention of Cruelty to Animals.
And someone's walking behind him.
Mr. Lance James. Do we have more? Now listen, I just want to say, hey! Right now. Listen, I just want to say, hey!
Oh, he's trying running away.
Right now. This is private property. You shouldn't even be here. The deed's not in his name yet.
Wait, so is it true about,
Well, it's like you said. Maybe someday we'll own a farm. And you know what? I know exactly who I want to run it.
And lastly, this is where we keep the goats. One of our goats just had babies.
Oh, they're so cute. I wish I can come here all the time, Mom. Well, we can, sweetheart, because the nice new owner made it free for everyone to come.
One of our pigs just had babies. You want to come help name them?
Okay, sure.
Let's go.
Oh, now we're going to keep track of all those names.
I remember this video, guys. Oh my god, that was a great video. Sorry, I was on my phone because, yeah. I don't know what to say, guys. Obviously, it's really good that that happened. Very unlikely, because I know that wouldn't happen. I know that didn't happen. I know that's all bullshit, but I guess it's our video. Can't expect much. There's no way this guy's called farm owner mistreats his animals when this is the way of life, not him mistreating anything. Yeah, I guess this is the way of life, right? I guess this is just how it works. To be honest, I don't really blame farmers for getting meat out of animals, but seriously, killing one in front of a little kid, that is just messed up. He's not mistreating anything, he's just giving us food so we can live. This is how life works. Some animals are used for resources like their meat and milk, that's just how it is. I love how this is not remotely close to what it's like owning a farm. This is the purpose of animals, and there's so many of them that won't go extinct. We all know that vegan teacher would have a lot to say about this. The farmer ain't even the villain, he's basically doing his job. For real, people think that farms are a Chinese torture dungeon for animals. Down. This is not animal mistreatment, they are farming, something that is culturally accepted. Dhar needs a serious reality check. Damn. This is an animal. I didn't expect these comments, to be honest. We're showing kids the reality of how we live and eat. Damn. Some harsh little truth here, eh? Didn't expect the comments to say that. But it does make sense, like that is basically how it is. It is sad, because again, I like eating meat, I just don't like the way, like I don't like how I'm eating it. Like I'm eating it because this happened, or I'm eating it because this happened, or something like that, right? I don't like that. But yeah guys, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like, be sure to comment down below, and be sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications for myself and Dhar Mann. Thanks for tuning into Damian Reacts, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Deuces. Peace.